Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our CS class. How are you all? Hope all are doing well. So let's start our class with dictionary. Before that, in the previous class we studied string, list and tuple. So next is dictionary. Dictionary is like string and list. It is a collection of some data. That means dictionary is a sequence data. It contains some data which is unordered collection of elements takes place in dictionary. So in dictionary we can arrange elements by using a key value pairs. There will be a key and value. So dictionaries are mutable. Mutable means we can change the element of dictionary directly. So let's look how can we create a dictionary. A dictionary is created by a dictionary name followed by braces, and there is a key. Each element consists of two values. They are key and values. So first there will be a key, then colon, then value, comma, key, colon, value. So this is a single element. For each element there will be key and value. For example, this is a dictionary in which teachers are Dimple. Dimple have value of computer science, Karen sociology, Harpit mathematics, Saba legal studies. So a dictionary consists of values which is not ordered set of collection in which values or elements are denoted by using key value pair and comma symbol is used. So curly brackets are used. Curly brackets or braces are used at the beginning and end of the dictionary. Each entry or each element consists of key and value. Once there is a key, there will be a value. This key and value are separated by colon. Then each elements, that means one element contain one key value pair. Each key value pairs are separated by commas. Next is accessing elements of dictionary. How can we access elements of dictionary? Suppose dictionary name equal to key. We can access the element by using its key value. Here Karen sociology. So if we want to access the value of Karen, then we have to use this teacher's dictionary followed by square bracket, and inside that there will be a key. Key is Karen. So teachers in square bracket Karen. And Python will return sociology as the answer. Teachers Kushal will give key error because in this dictionary there is not a person named Kushal. So like that we can access value by using key. Then we can access keys or values simultaneously. Both keys and values are accessed by us simultaneously. For example, we can, if we want to access keys, then if our dictionary is D, then D dot keys will give the keys of the dictionary. That means vowel 1, vowel 2 and so on. And D dot values will give the values of the key. That means A, E, I, O, U. So this will be the answer. The characteristics of a dictionary. Main characteristics is dictionary is mutable. That means we can change the element by using dictionary. Then dictionary is an unordered set, no order in keys, key value pairs. Then it is unordered set of elements, not a sequence, it is a unordered set of elements. Then dictionary are indexed by keys, and keys must be of any non-mutable type. We can use keys, any non-mutable types as keys. Each of the keys within a dictionary must be unique, because if we repeated the keys, what happened? For same key, different values will be there. That is not possible. Then dictionaries are mutable. That means we can give values directly by using its key. Can assign value directly. Then dictionary operation first is traversing. Already I told you that a string, list, tuple all do traversing in the same manner. That means a loop is needed for it, and there will be, if it is a list, inside this bracket list name will be there. If it is string, string name will be there. It is a dictionary, so dictionary name will be there. So if this is the dictionary, 5 key is 5 value number, key a value string. Suppose if you want to print if we want to traverse all the elements of a dictionary, what will we do? We will either use for loop or while loop. It is easy to use for loop. So for key in D1, print key colon D1 of key. D1 of key, first value will be 0. D1 of key. So what will be the output? Then 5 number a string 1 2 tuple will be the output. A string 5 number 1 2 tuple. So by using for loop, we can access the dictionary. By using key in D1, that means key is extracted to D1, print key comma D1 of key. Key is the key which is supplied by us, 5, A, 1, 2 and so on. Then adding elements to a dictionary, already we told dictionary is mutable. So we can assign values to a dictionary by using dictionary name followed by square bracket. Inside that key equal to value. For example, suppose employee is a dictionary. Then suppose if you want to change employee of department equal to sales, that means here name, salary, age are the three elements. If you want to add department as the new attribute, then what happen? Employee of department equal to sales, which will be in the dictionary in the ascending order or particular order. That means salary 10,000, department sales, age 24, name John. So this department will be placed in the dictionary. So we can use this method to add to an empty dictionary also. Suppose there is an empty dictionary named D, then we can give us D of 5 equal to 6, like that we can assign. Then how can we update existing element? We all know our dictionary is mutable. So it is easy to update existing element. Just dictionary name. If it is employee dictionary name, then employee followed by the value which we want to apply, which we want to update, that is salary equal to 20,000. Then what happens? Salary becomes 20,000. So this is the technique to replace the value. This is a program to create a dictionary containing names of competition winner students as keys and number of their wins as values. That means if in a school some competition takes place, the names of that students who win, that student's name will be key and number of their wins, how many times they win is the value. So we can input by using input statement. Key input name of the, here we are using for loop. Do you know why? We don't know exact number of the students. Suppose this n equal to 5, then 5 times the same process repeating. So if we are entering 5 students details, then 5 times this loop will work. So depends user input, key dictionary is created. So for a in range n up to n, if suppose if we are providing 6 students details, then up to 6 this for loop is worked. That means 0 1 2 3 4 5. Then key equal to input name of the student. First student's name is inputted. Then value equal to input number of competitions he won. How many times he won, that is value. Then we can give a dictionary. We created an empty dictionary and we can add the element to the empty dictionary. We can add by simply by using square bracket. So our dictionary is competition winners of key. Key is the name of the student that we inputted and equal to value. Value is the number of competitions won. So when we print the dictionary, we will get the output. That means if you want to print 10 students data, then n will be 10. Then first we have to create an empty dictionary and we have to add each student name and how many times he won. So for this we are using for loop, because if there are 10 students, 4 times this loop will work. 10 times this loop will work. If there are 5 students, 5 times this loop will work. So key input name of the student means first name of the student is inputted, then value how many times he won is inputted, then competition winners of key equal to value will give initially the first position, first name of student and his number of competition, and when we are printing the output will get. So if how many number of students? 5. Name of the student Naval. Number of competitions 1 5. So 5 students data is inputted in this program and a dictionary is created. Next, how can we delete elements? As usual, del function is there. So del, which element we want to delete? Suppose it is age. That means by using its key we are deleting. If we are deleting age, then delete employee 13 age. Then if we print this statement, what happen? This age 24 will lose. So we can delete by using delete method. Otherwise we can use pop method. We already specified in list. Pop method means when we are giving pop empty, that means inside bracket no value is passed, automatically the last element will be lost. Otherwise we can give key. For example, if employee dot pop of age means age is the key, then this age 24 will be deleted. That means output will be salary 10,000, name John. And we can give simply pop, then the last element will be deleted. Then checking out existence of a key means, like in list we can use in and not in operator to check whether a key is existed or not. Then there are some dictionary functions. They are length. Length method will give number of elements in the dictionary. 1, 2, 3. So here 3. Then clear method will clear the dictionary. No elements will be in the dictionary. Get method will give, if you are using get method and inside that suppose we use one key, then what happens? Its value is returned. By using the key, we can access the value by using get method. Items method will display all the elements in the dictionary. That means my list employee dot items. Then we have to use for loop to print all the elements. Keys method will print all the key. Key means salary, department, age, name, and so on. Then values method will print all the values like 10,000 sales 24 John. Then update method will update the value. That means we can use the update method to update another dictionary with our dictionary. Suppose we have two dictionary, employee 1 and employee 2. Employee 1 dot update employee 2 will become what happened? This employee 2's data is merged or updated with employee 1 data. So what will happen? This name John, salary 10,000, age 24, and name Dia, salary. These all are created by the update. Here there are three lists as list 1, list 2 and list 3. Write a program that add lists 2 and 3 to list 1 as a single element each. The resultant list should be in order of list 3 elements of list 1 and list 2. That means there are three lists, list 1, list 2 and list 3. First we print the original list. List 1 printed, list 2 printed, list 3 printed. Then adding list 2 as a single element at the end of list element. List 1 means list 1 dot append list 2. That means list 1 becomes now the combination of both list 1 and list 2. So list 2 gets added to list 1 and list 1 is replaced by this value. Then adding list 3 as a single element the start of the list means list 1 dot insert, because we are inserting at the start of the list 1. So list 1 dot insert 0 comma list 3 means at the position of 0 list 3 is inserted. And now in the list 1 contains list 3's elements, list 2's element, list 1 element. So the combination will be the result. This is an example program, and there are many example programs also in this textbook. You can refer that example program. You can do that programs. So let's wind up the class of dictionary. Next class we can start sorting techniques. Thank you and have a nice day.